Today we're unboxing the original Mini Cooper model car set. There's instructions here on how to build it. Let's take a look inside. Whoa, you even get to build the engine in this model? Ah, this is pretty cool. They really cover every step, it looks like. Pretty simple. Wow, rubber tires. It's got some chrome pieces. Got some white plastic. Some decals and stuff to put on the car. And some see-through pieces. Pretty cool set. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for all our awesome unboxing. And don't be afraid to leave a comment down below. We'll see you soon.